and gentlemen, we have just landed at Rojas National Airport. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Rojas, 15 minutes ahead of schedule. Maligayang pagdating po sa Rojas, kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pambansa ng Rojas. On behalf of your flight decorated by Captain Garces, Captain Mendoza, and First Officers Police, together with your in-flight cabin crew Jenny, Jerica, April, this is CJ, thanking you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. It was indeed our pleasure having you all on board. We have a pleasant stay here in Ross or wherever your onward destination may be.
Safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have dislodged or shifted during the aircraft movement. Once again, cell phones must not be used for whatever purpose while inside the aircraft. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Panatiling nakasara ang inyong mga cellphones habang kayo ay nasa loob pa ng eroplano. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing up to get your bags. Thank you. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. It is prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings. Please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp